Welcome back to another stylish signature design tutorial. Today we are exploring the beauty of letter D through 5 different names from around the world. Each design will have its own unique touch, so stay tuned till the end to find your favorite. Let's start with Diego from Spain. For this signature, I will use a big cursive of the letter D and IEGO finished with a connected flow and a underline. Next, we have Diana from the US. In this design, I will use cursive D with a upward curve IANA in the baseline of D, where A will finish with a curve similar to D, finally finished with an underline and dot. Please subscribe the channel for different stylish signature design. Now let's design for Dilara from Turkey. I'll make this one artistic and slightly decorative, adding a long curve in the letter D to show elegance and culture. Then ILARA in the inner part of the curve. Moving on to Deepika from India. I will design a signature with letter D formed with a circle and a long slanted line, and EEPIKA in a compressed style. Finally, underline the whole signature finished with a dot. That looks stylish and balanced with a soft underline. The tall D with slanted line curves make it look powerful. Finally, we have Dominique from France. This one will be with a stylish D and a compressed OMINIQE, where Q will be significantly longer in the lower side, finished with the underline and dot. So these were 5 stylish signature designs with the letter D: Diego, Diana, Dilara, Deepika, and Dominique. Which one did you like most? Tell me in the comment below, and don't forget, if you want me to design your name, just drop it in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe for more signature tutorials from A to Z. Thanks.